this video, we will show how to program the current time of day, the hardness, and the number of people in the household. First, press and hold the menu button until the time starts to flash. Press the arrow up or down button to select the time. By pressing and holding the button down, the speed will increase. Once you have programmed the current time of day, press the Set Regen button to advance to the hardness setting. Use the arrow up or down buttons. Program how hard the water was tested at. If the water softener has been installed in a rural application and will be treating for some ferrous iron and manganese, please refer to your owner's manual on how to calculate the compensated hardness. Once entered, press the Set Regen button to lock it in and advance to the number of people. Use the arrow up or down button to program the unit for the number of people that are in the household. Once you have made your selection, press the Set Regen button to confirm, and you'll be returned back to the main display screen. You have now successfully completed programming the softener.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.